Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Kitchen Connection. I hope you are all are fine, doing well. Thank you so much for liking and commenting on my videos. Keep subscribing, sharing and liking my videos. So today we'll be making a very nice, delicious and traditional Karahi, and that also in a very easy manner, and your friends and family will love it. So don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the recipes on time and for free, and subscribe to my channel to get all the exciting and delicious recipes in future, inshallah. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we'll take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. In that we'll be adding 1.5 kg of beef meat that I've cut it into small cubes like this, which is washed and drained properly. Stir fry it at a high flame until the color of the meat changes to whitish. Like this. And now we'll be adding garlic, ginger and green chillies crushed well in a blender and add it to this meat and fry and mix it again along with a little amount of water with this ginger, garlic and chilies, and cover it for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, look, the meat would be looking like this. At this point we'll be adding the spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, or you can add salt according to your taste. Mix all these well. Until all the spices are well mixed and fried well along with the meat. Now we'll be adding fresh tomatoes that I've cut it into 2 halves. Now look, the water of the meat has started drying and the pieces are reducing in size. Now we'll be adding the fresh tomatoes that I've cut it into 2 halves. Keep it on top of the meat like this, one by one, and cover it for a few minutes until in this steam the peel of the tomatoes are softened to be removed easily. So after a few minutes within the steam, the tomatoes are softened and the peels are easily removed. Like this, we'll do it with all the tomatoes. Peels are all removed, and now we'll mix it again and fry it well in these tomatoes. Hoping the best in your life and always trying to observe the positive aspects and blessings in your life gives a great satisfaction to a human mind. So keep observing the positive aspects of your life and never lose hope. And now at this point we'll be adding 1 cup of beaten yogurt to this meat mixture and mix it again like this, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. Mix all these well and the spices will leave its taste very nicely and richly. Now look, the oil has started leaving the meat. This is the indication that it is almost done and ready. Garnish it with green chilies and fresh coriander. Serve it with hot naan or white rice. Your friends and family will love it. Let me know in the comment section about your experiences after trying all these recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all the recipes on time and for free. So let's serve this delicious karahi. Look how tempting and nicely it has turned out. So enjoy it with your friends and family and let me know in the comment section about your experiences. See you in another good recipe. Till then, take good care of yourselves and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.